Hello everyone, this is Faye, and today I'm back with another K-pop makeup tutorial inspired by redvelvet's Irene in Psycho music video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let's get started. I'm gonna start with the base makeup first. And then I'm gonna draw my eyebrows a little bit curved and thicker to make them look like Irene's eyebrows. And then let's do the contour. I'm gonna pay attention more to the nose to make it look higher like Irene's nose. Moving on to the eye makeup, and I'm gonna use color shadow as the base eyeshadow. You can use darker brown shadow if you want to make your makeup look darker. Now let's apply the glitter onto the eyelid. I'm using liquid glitter to make it easier to apply. Shimmer eye primer is needed for this eye makeup to make the glitter look more pop out. I'm gonna draw the wing upwards to make it look similar like Irene's eye makeup, and don't forget to draw it as thin as possible. After that, apply the falsies and apply mascara. Mix two blusher for the blush, and just apply a thin layer onto my cheeks around the cheekbones. And mix two colors for the lips as well. Blend it with a Q-tip to create a soft lip line. And the makeup is done. this is the finished look. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye!